House and the mysterious ticking noise.
What's that mysterious ticking noise? Not a head, it's kind of catchy. Snipe, snipe, serverless snipe, 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 serverless snipe. Snipe, serverless snipe, 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 serverless snipe, snipe, serverless snipe, 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 serverless snipe.
Harry Potter,
Snipe,
Harry Potter,
snipe,
Harry Potter,
snipe,
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Harry Potter,
Snake, snake,
Harry Snake,
Harry
Snake, Harry Snake, Harry Snake, Harry Snake, Harry Snake,
Dumbledore!
and ice
Snake, snake, serverless snake.
I'm Harry Potter.
Snake,
I'm
snake,
Harry Potter.
serverless
Harry
snake.
Potter.
Snake,
I'm Harry Potter. I'm Harry Potter.
snake, snake, serverless snake.
I found the source of the mysterious ticking noise. It's a pipe bomb.
Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort. Meow, 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 meow.